If you are looking for best electric water heater, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular EcoSmart Eco 11 electric tankless water heater.
How would you like to enjoy endless hot water? Well, you can with an EcoSmart tankless water heater. You just have to select the right model that fits your needs. You need to determine the inlet water temperature in your location. Simply refer to the sizing map. Find your inlet water temperature based on the color of your location. For example, a Florida home will have a warmer inlet water temperature of 67 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit than a home in Minnesota, which has a colder inlet water temperature of 37 to 42 degrees Fahrenheit. This means in a colder climate like Minnesota's, your tankless water heater will have to work harder to heat your water because it requires a greater temperature rise, while your tankless water heater doesn't have to work as hard in a warmer climate, such as Florida's, because it requires a lower temperature rise. 2. Once you've determined your inlet water temperature, you need to figure out your gallons per minute. You'll see the gallons per minute and approximate usage on the color-coded chart with shower and faucet symbols under your determined inlet water temperature. Before choosing a tankless water heater, find out if your home has the necessary electrical requirements to support the unit you need. Since they have greater voltage requirements, you may need to have a qualified electrician install upgraded breakers and thicker gauge wiring to handle the increase in power. Simple installation and endless supply of hot water is just 3 easy steps away. 1. Mount the unit in a convenient location in your home. 2. Once mounted with the unit turned off, run water through it to remove any air pockets to enhance the unit's efficiency. And finally, 3. Activate the unit. To find out which EcoSmart tankless water heater model is right for you, simply refer to our sizing map and interactive sizing guide.
Product number 2, Bosch Tronic 3000T 2.5 gallon electric mini tank water heater.
Waiting for hot water at a sink located far from a primary heating source can be frustrating. Cold water from a sink is just not useful. Plumbing a hot water line to every sink in a home or business requires time and money. That's impractical. To get hot water where it's needed, when it's needed, a better solution is to use the Tronic 3000T from Bosch, a point-of-use electric mini tank water heater. The Tronic 3000T can supplement a primary water heater or be used under a single sink. In fact, the Bosch Tronic 3000T can be used for 3 different applications: as a sole water heating source for a single sink, as a supplement to an existing water heater located far from the source, and as a buffer installed in line with tankless water heaters that experience intermittent cold water or cold water sandwich. In any configuration, there's minimal standby loss from this mini tank water heater. There's no wait for hot water to arrive at a sink when it's needed. Tronic 3000T mini tank water heaters from Bosch are compact and can be wall or floor mounted. They fit easily under a sink in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive exterior design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Available in 3 space-saving sizes, the 2.7 and 4-gallon units have a simple 120-volt AC plug-in connection, while the 7-gallon unit, which can supply 2 sinks simultaneously, must be hardwired. To install, a professional simply taps into a cold water line, provides an electrical connection, and installs the mini tank water heater directly at the sink at point of use. The Tronic 3000T can be used at any sink where hot water doesn't exist or takes too long to reach. That includes a basement wet bar or patio kitchen station, a garage or attic, even in an RV or on a boat. No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.
Bosch, invented for life.
Product number 3, Stiebel Eltron Tempra Plus 24 kilowatts, tankless electric water heater.
Unlike a tank water heater, a tankless electric water heater will never run out of hot water. But turn on one too many taps and tankless electric water heaters have difficulty keeping up with the demand. That is until Stiebel Eltron invented advanced flow control. An integral part of every Tempra Plus whole house tankless water heater, advanced flow control stops that cold water surprise. Here's how it works. In a tankless electric water heater, everything works fine during periods of low demand. With a properly sized heater, everything is also fine during periods of medium demand. But if a high demand period overloads the tankless unit, water heaters from other manufacturers can't keep up, and the hot water turns cold. But in a Stiebel Eltron Tempra Plus, advanced flow control automatically reduces the flow rate slightly to keep the hot water temperature at the set point. Advanced flow control was invented by Stiebel Eltron and is found only in our Tempra Plus whole house water heaters. No other manufacturer of tankless electric water heaters has anything like it. Stiebel Eltron Tempra Plus with advanced flow control gives you a hot shower. Every time, all the time.
Product number 4, InSinkErator Invite H Hot 100 Push Button Instant Hot Water Dispenser.
Imagine instantly having hot water to make tea, warm baby bottles, or even blanch vegetables. With the InSinkErator Hot 100 Instant Hot Water Dispenser, you'll have near boiling water right at your sink. The easy push-button technology, along with its simple design, complements contemporary kitchen styles. It sits on your sink while the hot water tank resides conveniently underneath, and it's available in chrome or satin nickel finishes. The hot water shuts off when you release the button, and don't worry about installation. It's a simple 5-step process, so why not have instant hot water for cooking, cleaning, or thawing food with the Hot 100 Instant Hot Water Dispenser from InSinkErator.
Product number 5, Westinghouse 80 Gal 4500W Lifetime Warranty Electric Water Heater. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.